These are the eggs of the eastern phoebe, Sayornis phoebe. The nest was discovered underneath the deck by Fluffus posterioris. The phoebe is in the family Tyrannidae, the tyrant flycatchers. This is from the Latin tyrannus, and ancient Greek tyrannos, meaning tyrant, and describes the aggressive nature of some species. Sayornis comes from the name of the naturalist Thomas Say, and the ancient Greek ornis, meaning bird. The bird's call sounds like phoebe. I heard the sound of something big trapped in the watering can, and I found this brown prionid, Orthosoma brunneum. This is from the family Carambucidae, longhorn beetles, from the ancient Greek karambos, meaning longhorn beetle. The word keras meant horn. Orthosoma is from the ancient Greek orthos, meaning straight, and soma, meaning body. Brunneum means brown. Other species in this family that I've observed in our yard are the white-spotted sawyer, tawny longhorn beetle, Xylotrechus antilope, and the flat oak borer. This is the marbled orbweaver, Araneus marmoreus, from the family Araneidae. The ancient Greek arachne means spider, and Latin marmoreus means of marble. The male and the female look quite different. This female lived on our deck for a while, and then at the end of October, she slowly made her way to the ground and disappeared into the woods, presumably to mate, lay eggs, and die. I was sorry to see her go. Nature accepts when it's time to move on. Be the orb weaver.